teacher, archery, picture, reaching, nature, matches, riches, batch, church. Speaking. Do you think Mr. Gessler was a failure as a bootmaker or as a competitive businessman? What is the significance of the title? To whom or to what does it refer? Notice the way Mr. Gessler speaks English. His English is influenced by his mother tongue. He speaks English with an accent. When Mr. Gessler speaks, PTK sound like BDG. Can you say these words and Mr. Gessler would say them? It comes and never stops. Does it bother me? Not at all. Ask my brother, please. Speak to 5 adults in your neighborhood. Ask them the following questions in any language they are comfortable in. Then come back and share your findings with the class. Do they buy their provisions packed in plastic packets at a big store or loose from a smaller store near their house? Where do they buy their footwear? Do they buy branded footwear or footwear made locally? What reasons do they have for their preference? Do they buy ready-made clothes or they buy clothes and get their clothes stitched by a tailor? Which do they think is better? Look at the picture. I have decided to go abroad for higher studies. Have you? I don't think I'll ever do that. I love my country. Let pair of students talk to each other about leaving the country. One student repeats Ajit's statement, the other gives a reason for not agreeing with Ajit. The sentence openings given below should be used. If I leave this country, I'll miss. There are some things which you can get only there. Here, for examples. There are some special days I'll miss particularly. Most of all, I'll miss because I think it's impossible for me to leave my country because. How can you leave your own country except when? Depends on one's intention. I can't leave for good because. Maybe for a couple of years. Writing. Based on the following points, write a story. Your aunt has gone to her mother's house. Your uncle does his cooking. He is absent-minded. He puts vegetable on the stove. He begins to clean his bicycle outside. The neighbor calls out saying something is burning. Your uncle rushes to the kitchen. To save vegetables, he puts some oil on them. Unfortunately, it's machine oil, not cooking oil. What do you think happens to the vegetables? Begins like this. Last month, my aunt decided to visit her parents. Poem Trees. Take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. Mention the things trees give us. They read this poem about trees. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swings on, trees are for wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shades in winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pears, trees are to chop down and call timber, trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint, trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Shirley Baur. Working with the poem. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? Contrast this line with the line immediately before it. Second, trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it? Or do you think this line is humorous? With the help of your partner, try to write some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own as in the following examples. Trees are for birds to build nests in. trees are for people to sit under, or try to compose a similar poem about water or air. What are mangroves forest? Mangrove is a name commonly used for a variety of shrubs or trees growing in the muddy swamps of tropical coast and estuaries.